In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product to cart on Alibaba 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find an item, choose the right options, and add it to your cart with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. Make sure you're logged in so your activity saves correctly and your cart stays synced across devices. Being signed in also helps the system show pricing and availability that's relevant to your region and account settings. Use the search bar at the top to find the product you want. Type clear keywords, then refine your results using filters like category, price range, and minimum order quantity if needed. This can quickly narrow down to suppliers and listings that match your needs. When you see a promising item, click it to open the full product details page. On the product page, take a moment to review the essential information before adding anything to your cart. Look at the price range and note whether the price changes based on the quantity ordered. Check shipping methods and estimated delivery times if they're shown, and scan the product photos and specifications to confirm the item matches what you're looking for. You can also review ratings and recent buyer feedback to get a sense of quality and consistency. Next, choose the product options, select the correct color, size, or variant. Many listings require a selection for each variant before the cart button becomes active. Then enter the quantity you want. Be sure to check the MOQ or minimum order quantity. This is the smallest number of units a supplier will allow per order. If the MOQ is 100 and you enter 50, the system may block the action or prompt you to adjust. Set a quantity that meets or exceeds the MOQ so your request can go through. When your variant and quantity are set, click the Add to Cart button. If the button is grayed out, double check that you selected every required option. After clicking, a confirmation pop-up will appear to show the item has been added. From here, you can decide what to do next. Choose Continue Shopping if you want to keep browsing and add more items in a single order. Select View Your Cart to review everything you've added, update quantities, or remove items you no longer need. Or proceed to checkout if you're ready to finalize your selections. At checkout, you'll confirm details like shipping and payment later in the process. That's it. You've successfully added a product to your cart on Alibaba.